Music visualizers are very important, especially to musician, music creator and podcaster, as it enables them to visualize their audio using its frequency, spectrum, rhythm and loudness. In fact, music visualizer refer to the process of turning audio track into some kind of video. It's display animation based on frequency and volume of track being played. Today I'm going to show you how can you easily create audio spectrum on your phone using an app. There are many apps on the market that can make audio spectrum. So if you are looking for the best music or audio spectrum maker for Android and iPhone, then watch this video till the end. So in this video we are going to show 5 best music visualizer maker to create music video that are going to get lots of like and share on social media in 2024. So subscribe to my channel for more video like this. And one thing, I'm not adding AV player in this list because it is so popular. Number 5 is Vivo Video. Vivo Video is audio spectrum maker is a sophisticated application designed to transform your audio track into visually stunning music videos. Vivo Video Audio Spectrum Maker is an app that turns your music into cool music videos. If you ever seen these videos where music make waves and patterns, this app let you create those right from your phone. It is great for music fans, producer or anyone who want to make their social media post that stand out with custom music visualizer. This app had lots of template you can change and color and shape, size and position to fit your music style. Number 4 is S Music Player. S Music Player is more than just a music player. It is also serves as an audio spectrum maker and making it an excellent tool for creating visually engaging audio spectrum. This feature-rich music player comes with powerful equalizer allowing you to find the tune or listening music and experience it to the perfect. Additionally, it offers quick search function for all of your music files, ensuring you can find your favorite track in no time. One of the standout features of S Player is it is a stylish 3D visualizer, which will add visually captivating element to your playback. For those who are interested to creating audio spectrum, S Music Player including dedicated template section for them. Here you can find wide variety of audio spectrum template that you can easily customize to suit your style. Whether you want to adjust the color, shape, size or position, this player provides flexibility to create unique visual representation of your music player. Best of all, S Music Player is completely free to use that make accessible option for anyone looking to enhance their music experience with custom audio spectrum without any cost. Number 3 is CHK SND. CHK SND is a very old music visualizer maker on Play Store. It is a free tool for creating music videos and audio spectrum on your Android device. It serves a great alternative to Adobe After Effects. Provide all the features you need to make high quality audio spectrum without any cost. With CHK SND, you can customize your audio spectrum exactly how you want. This app includes variety of cool features such as ability to add different type of spectrum and backgrounds. You can choose solid color background or you can use your own personal background. You can customize options are available and you can also add your unique text style or fonts on this tool. This powerful tool is perfect for audio spectrum enthusiasts who want convenient portable solution for their creative project. If you love audio spectrum, you should definitely check out CHK SND. It is really cool tool that let you create amazing audio spectrum right from your pocket. Number 2 is Audio Vision. Audio Vision is a modern music visualizer that doubles as fully featured music player. With Audio Vision, you can organize your music collection by album, artist and genre. Manage playlist with ease. This app includes variety of carefully crafted visualization patterns that offer endless customization and possibilities, allowing you to create unique and visualization experience for your music. Playback can be conveniently controlled through the widget's notification or directly from the lock screen, making it easy to use in any situation. The user interface is designed with material design principles, ensure seamless and innovative user experience. Whether you are managing your music library or enjoying stunning visualization, Audio Vision provides a powerful and user-friendly platform for all your music needs. Number one is Visualization Video Maker. Introducing the Audio Visualization Maker app for Android, the ultimate tool for creating and mesmerizing audio spectrum and visualization. With the customization templates, this app puts power of visual music expression in your hand. What sets this app apart? It is unparalleled, versatile, and user-friendly interface. Whether you are seasoned, whether you are pro or beginner, you will find endless creativity possibility at your fingertip. As it is completely free, making a top choice for music enthusiasts everywhere. Choose from the wide section of pre-designed template, each fully customizable to match your unique style and vibe. From dynamic waves to sleek minimalistic design, there are something for everyone. With Audio Visualization Maker app, you can bring your music to life like never before. Download now and unleash your creativity. Thanks for watching. Which one you like the most? Comment on this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you guys in the next one.